Why do I always seem to run into the same problems, get stuck in similar situations, and suffer the same pain over and over again? That's such a powerful question, and honestly, many people experience this exact cycle. It often feels like life is placing the same bruises again and again. So let's break this down. There are few reasons this happens. Sometimes these are unfinished life lessons that we are ignored or avoided. Pain is simply life's way of nudging us to finally pay attention. What seems like separate events may actually be different exams for the same class. That's why destiny isn't random. It moves in cycles, and if we don't pass the lessons, it comes back around, and unfinished lessons will keep showing up until we truly master them. Here's the key. Our 4 body systems, spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical, acts like a magnet. It pulls people, situations, and experience towards us that match what's inside us. So if we want to stop attracting the same type of people, problems, and pain, the shift must begin within us. Here's one of the example and reading I have got from you, how this cycle plays out through the 4 bodies. Spiritual body, sticky images, and negative imprints. You may still carry old wounds or unhealed memories. When something similar happens in the present, those subconscious imprints get triggered. Mental body, overreacting. Once triggered, the mental body flips into overreaction mode, responding too strongly with unnecessary emotions or actions. Emotional body, curses. From there, you might feel like cursing people, places, or situations. For instance, someone cuts you off in traffic and suddenly you are not just annoyed, you are exploding because that deeper imprint was activated. Physical body, feeling burdened. All this negativity weighs down the physical body. That's why you feel heavy, drained, and burdened. These 4 bodies patterns can be manifested into different scenarios and experiences in your love, family, friends, and work life. But the core 4 patterns are the same. So what is the way out? By clearing the sticky imprints in your spiritual body and releasing the overreacting program in your mental body, you stop feeding energy into the cycle. When you no longer react the same way, the pattern loses its power over you. You curse less, your energy feels lighter, and your physical body no longer carries that burden. That's how you break the cycle, by shifting within. The outer world naturally shifts with you. So next time you notice life repeating the same painful story, take it as a signal. Ask what is it trying to teach me, which part of me is attracting it. Once you are clear that, you'll finally graduate from that lesson and step into a new chapter of freedom.